my clicker is gonna be.
Because Nancy has bananas.
Oh. What are those? What are those? Those are some black bananas. Oh my. We got the cholo at the Dairy Queen.
I've been standing up there for like 5 minutes until I get an order. I'm fucking hungry.
Nick wants to eat, but they don't want to take his order.
I just want niggas just want some chili cheese fries right now, bro.
They stink my food. I saw them. 10 out of 10 would come again.
I just enjoy this taste of spit.
Those black bananas.
Look how little my wrist is.
You got a mini wrist. These guys have been working, so that's why they're all painted up.
Yeah. I know, like my arms are good, sort of.
Got the cholo.
Hey, look, I got Cheeto print right here.
Oh, nice.
I'm so hungry.
I would take off this long sleeve, but I don't have a shirt under. I've been wearing it like unbuttoned, like for all of today.
I've been waiting up there 5 minutes to get my fucking order. I'm fucking hungry.
You want me to do it? What do you want? I'll order it. I'll be like, just call me. She's like, hey, Michaela.
She's like, hey, puta, give me my order.
Hey, puta. Can you give me your order, please?
Yeah, just give me one.
Can you give me your order or can I order?
I said she wouldn't do anything.
Oh, look, there's our
He
blizzard.
was here, though.
Blizzards.
He's gonna order more stuff.
Yeah, I'm kind of hungry.
Oh, no, that's bad service.
You might as well do it. Do that one.
I do them all.
Do them all.
I want this with that. Wait, did y'all do one for me too?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Look, my friends bought me a blizzard without my consent. That's a sue.
That's a suit. That's a suit.
Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Dr. Seuss, Betty Lou, who hit us? Oh, that's her name, Betty Lou.
Follow my Instagram, Brandon Caceres1. What's your Instagram?
Oh, wait. Look at. Speaking of Instagram.
Oh, okay. He's just gonna show.
This dude's a stalker.
He's talking. Look, that is the girl that
That's that girl.
She just gave us our blizzard.
She just gave us.
Okay, first. That's his phone.
Look, first off, they got it off.
That's her right there.
Andy's following you.
Andy's following. Oh my.
You're gonna do that to me?
You've been following her because I was going to follow her and then you already did it.
Stalking her page.
And you liked her picture.
And you liked her picture.
I like one of her pictures.
You see, there's no loyalty, no commitment in the dojo.
It's fine, guys.
What, man? Have you ordered yet?
Go order,
No.
Nick.
Oh, yeah.
Your freaking chili cheese.
I want a large drink. Do you have the money for a large drink?
Oh, look, it's Meredith.
Oh, no.
I don't want nothing. Alright, guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to follow our Instagrams. I'm not going to tell you, I'll just follow them. Bye.